Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV, the place for all things automotive, where we break down the latest car releases with an eye on performance, innovation, and style. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tesla Model 3, a car that's set to shake up the electric sedan world yet again. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest in car tech, electrifying reviews, and automotive news. Like this video, share it with your friends, and let's get into it. So, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 is nothing short of a powerhouse across all its trims. At the top end, the performance model absolutely lives up to its name. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an impressive 2.8 seconds, a stat that puts it among the fastest cars on the road today. Even the rear-wheel drive long-range version, which takes a bit longer at 4.6 seconds to hit 60, provides a thrilling drive. Now, when it comes to range, real-world driving conditions might affect the Model 3's advertised highway range slightly, but it still outpaces a lot of competitors. The rear-wheel drive long-range variant, for example, boasts an estimated 363 miles per charge, making it perfect for long trips or daily commutes without constant recharging. Inside the Model 3, Tesla's focus on simplicity and technology shines through. The interior is built around a minimalist aesthetic, where nearly every function is controlled through the central touchscreen. This includes everything from climate control to navigation. The essentials, like turn signals and mirror adjustments, are on the steering wheel buttons, which might be a bit of an adjustment for some drivers used to more traditional controls. Up front, the flat floor design gives the cabin a more spacious, open feel. However, in the back, taller adults might find the rear seat a bit tight on longer journeys. And let's talk practicality. The Model 3 isn't just stylish and fast, it's also functional. With plenty of storage space, it has room for up to 15 carry-on suitcases when you fold down the rear seats, making it great for road trips and larger hauls. In short, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 continues to be a bold, innovative, and compelling choice for anyone looking for a top-tier electric sedan. It combines speed, impressive range, and cutting-edge tech, making it hard to beat in the current market. The 2025 Tesla Model 3, a thrilling drive and practical design. Don't miss out on our latest review.